panguva ine maopposition members mafigures ari kuonekwa kunzi arimo muopposition citizen coalition for change, but vanoonekwa kunzi hapana kana zuva rimwe chete kana 1 ravanoopposa the ruling party nemapolicies ainoimplementa kana zvigananda kana nhau dzekuitwa maresources kana maissues ekudishwa out kwemari kana mamota vehicles nezvakadaro. Panguva ino voya panguva ino vachiatakiwa after vapresida over panguva ino pachibuda mapictures avo pane mutungamiri wenyika aiwa panguva ino pamwechete maZANU-PF members vachiratidza kuti aiwa vari kuwirirana. Not about subscribe or like on the bell icon. Then emanoposta mapictures amukona in the video budanyora achiti I have no qualms with the politicians who are holding public offices, meeting in government offices where they are elected to represent the people from the parliament, councils, etc. My problem is simple. Why do they forget what they have been winning and dining with the same people they preach to us as enemies and the reason for our suffering 5 years later? When they come back to the ordinary citizens, they would have left divided before going gallivanting with opponents. They bring more division. They don't preach smiles. They have shared. They don't preach wine. They have drunk. They don't preach financial gains. They have made. All they preach is negativity, to keep poor in perpetual hatred and division. Going forward, the rhetoric must stop as a matter of principle. Respect us. Hashtag is enough is enough. Slapping these opposing figures, they are holding my positions, but the mandate yakapindira pa these positions vachionekwa kunzi they criticize the ruling party vachiimplementa policies matsva and the likes. They are just silent. Akutombozikani kuti these people they exist. Mukavaona these individuals vari kubuda pamapictures apa hapamuna kana 1 anombozikamwa nekuita chinhu chinoonekwa kunzi achava against aiwa the ruling party. Tiudze mafungiro enyu matokudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu mafungiro enyu, musana subscribe or like, chitamba bell icon.